Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Red Eyes, and today I wanted to just share with you guys a quick and easy step-by-step guide in updating your PC BIOS. If you ever want to do it, you don't need to take it anywhere. It doesn't have to be a professional. I'm going to show you guys nice and easily how to do it. The first thing that you guys will need though is a USB, so don't even proceed on unless you have a USB. It doesn't have to be a crazy USB, but at least 10 gigabytes. If more, then that's totally fine as well. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing you guys are going to want to determine is actually what company is your board. So for example, there's a few different companies. Mine is Gigabyte, so I'm going to show you guys through Gigabyte, which is also totally fine because many of the same companies are going to have the same kind of like interface, meaning like it's going to look the same, you're going to be doing the same steps, etc. and so on. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come to CPU support. So whatever CPU you're actually upgrading to, you want to be sure that you check right here under the CPU model, and then you're going to scroll down, and then all the way on the right side it's going to say BIOS version. That's the one that you're going to look to install. So for example, I'm going to be installing the Ryzen 7 5800X3D. So if we come all the way to the right, it's asking for F60. So once you have this information, you're going to come back up. Excuse me, I'm a little bit sick, I apologize. You're going to come to downloads, and then you're going to see this. Scroll down a little bit if you don't see it already, and just look for BIOS. When you find the BIOS, then you are going to actually just scroll all the way to the top, and then you're going to check the description. So it did ask us for F63. So what you could do, if you guys want a more updated one, you can continue. So this is F60 as well as the dates. You can go a little bit earlier. We're not going to go with A because typically the A's are like betas. So we would probably go with the definite F63. You're going to download it here, and then it's going to pop up right down here, nice and easy. Once it pops up here, you guys can actually click on that, and then this is going to pop up. You're going to want to extract all, okay? Once you extract all, then it will pop up right here in your folder. You can literally X that out, come right down here to your folder, come to downloads, and it will show it right here. Here you can see the zipped folder, and wherever it doesn't show the unzipped folder, once you extract it, then it will show it like this. So what you could do is actually you just drag it right over onto your desktop, and then that's when this comes into play. What you guys are going to do is you're going to plug this in. I recommend plugging it in any USB on your motherboard. Do not plug it in on like any of your computer like front slots on your case or anything like that. Plug it in directly to your motherboard. Okay guys, so the very next step is once you have your USB plugged in, it's gonna say it right down here along with the rest of your storages. When you click this, like I said, I drag my folder right onto the desktop, so here it is, and I've already dragged it into the USB. Once it's in the USB, literally the next step is just restart the system. So you're gonna come down here, restart. The next step is to actually enter the BIOS. If you guys are not sure how to enter the BIOS, I'll show you here. And then as your computer is booting back up, you're going to want to rapidly press your delete key. So I'm going to just keep pressing this, and then it should pop up. Once that pops up, then now you're into the BIOS. The next step here is to actually locate where it says system and look for the BIOS version. So my BIOS version is now F63. You want to memorize what your old version is so that when you actually do the update, if you want some confirmation, you can come back into the BIOS like I just showed you guys, and then you can actually see, okay, it actually went through. So for me, it's right down here, and you're going to locate where it says Q Flash. Once you click on Q Flash, you're going to click on Update BIOS, and once you're in here, there's no other way that you can mess this up. You will see your BIOS. Just look for the name of your motherboard that you installed. So there's mine, the B450 Aorus Pro, and you're gonna click this, and then what you're gonna do is just double click that. I've already updated mine, like I said, so I'm not gonna do it again, but when you double click this, it should say press start, and then you guys are good to go. If this video helped you at all in any shape or manner, I'd really appreciate any likes or comments. And also check out the description. Follow me on the socials, guys. Check out my streams. I stream on Twitch and Kick, and I'm occasionally live on YouTube as well. You guys are more than welcome to check out the other YouTube videos. I do a lot of different PC stuff, gaming stuff, and I'm also a vlogger, so there's a lot of variety on the channel. But I hope everything goes good with you guys. Stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.